everyone, it's Angel here, and today's video I'll be unboxing these packages that I bought online, and it's a 2025 Lucky Charm, and it's for my mom and for myself. And yes, if you haven't subscribed, it's time to subscribe and hit the notification bell. And this year, 2025, as a year of the pig, they say that 2025 is not good for the year of the pig. So, I'm not sure about that. But I am a Taurus. And they said that Taurus is very lucky this year. So, yeah. And this is a shade. I'm not sure if it's real, but let me soak it first on the salt water before I use it. That's a bracelet shade. And what is this? I'm not sure what it is. Okay. This is a devil eye. Okay, this is a devil eye. I love this ring. I like it. And I'm gonna soak it here in salt water, just for me. And this is a, I'm not sure what it is. It's a Buddha for the year of the pig and for the dragon. Oops, sorry. Okay, let me fix it. Okay. Oh no, it's not. It's for me it's a bracelet because it's a Taurus. They say it's a moonstone, rose quartz, and I don't know what the other one is. Labradorite, yeah. And this is stone for Taurus this year. I'm gonna soak it here, there, and I'm not sure about this one. Oh, I believe it's an earring. Yeah, it's amethyst earring. You know what it is? Amethyst. It gives you, it helps for your mentality. It calms your mind. And yeah, I'm going to put it here to cleanse. I'm not going to soak it there, so yeah. And I have my incense here. I'm gonna put in some incense. This is for my mom. I will open it later and cleanse it for her, and then she's going to hold it, not me. So yeah, I'm going to finish it. And this is the amethyst earrings. I love the color. Yeah, I'm gonna put it here. And last but not least, this is a obsidian necklace. It's for my mom and for myself. She was born in 1952. She's a dragon. So her Buddha for the dragon is Sumatra Bhadra, and this is beautiful. I'm gonna soak it here for a moment, just for a while. I shouldn't do that. Because I want my mom to do it for me. Because it's her necklace. So this is mine, it's Amitabha. So they say that pig is not that good for this year, hindi suerte. I'm not sure about it, but it's not bad to buy something. But I believe in a Taurus. I'm a Taurus, I'm a fighter, and I never give up. So yeah, this is Amitabha. Gonna soak it in. First, I'm going to take the jade out. I'm going to sound it. I'm not sure if this is a real jade. It doesn't sound like. Okay. I'm not sure. Let me see. I need a I need something. Not that much, but it doesn't sound like ceramics or something. But it sounds like jade to me. Gonna improvise, okay? Not too bad. I mean, maybe it's a jade or something, but not too bad. So I'm gonna. Okay. Let's protect me. Success this here. And we're gonna put it there a little bit. Show more. And this is my devil's ring. I'll put it here. That's it. And I'm going to put it here or here on my left because it's a protection, powerful ring, devil eye, but it's too loose for me. But this one fits on my right. Okay. Not sure if I'm going to put it there, but I like it. Maybe here. What do you think? And then, okay, I'm going to take mine. Okay. It's from my mother. I'm going to take it off and put it here. This is how I cleanse my crystals piece or whatever before I use it. So yeah, and this is these are my stuff that I bought for protection for 2025 for the Taurus and Year of the Pig. And I will make a part 2 for my 2025 lucky charms since they are here. I'll put it on the next video, and I'm still waiting for the other charms that I have, so I'll see you in the next video.